Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little project share slash video response, and this is for Janai. She's Happy Mail Obsessed on YouTube and on Instagram, and she's just having a little challenge giveaway, and what you have to do is make 2 sets of handmade embellishments, and each set has to have 2 embellishments. And then you also have to have 1 set of undecorated embellishment. And then there's a list of other things to get extra points. I made 2 sets of undecorated embellishments because I do have this little thing that I made, has 4 compartments. So I was like, I need to make more. So anyway, I was crafted by Yuki. She is craftygirl.y on Instagram, and she posted the cutest carousel milk carton boxes in this little like caddy, and I wanted to make it because she was inspired by a tutorial on YouTube, but the tutorial I saw was really like big, and I was like, oh crap. I was like, I wanted something smaller to fit the two what I needed to make it for, you know. So I went and found a different tutorial, smaller scale, and that is what I made. And this is it right here. So I used some beads. I spelled out Janai and made like a little like dangle. These are those Maggie Holmes tassels that Krystina sells, KG Crafts. And then I have these little feet. These are from AliExpress, and they were for a project I was going to do for Halloween that I never got around to. So I was like, when I was making this, I'm like, it's missing something. Add feet. And now I feel like it's a character from Beauty and the Beast, like it's gonna get up and like start walking away. But I did go ahead and play with my Maggie Holmes Willow Lane collection, which I have yet to use. So I was like trying to do a bunch of things that I haven't done yet, you know, like as I said, my crafty goal for 2020, use stuff I haven't used, try things I haven't tried. Basically, I did what the tutorial makes: the base and the boxes. And the boxes are small. These are small boxes, you guys. Let's see. From top to bottom, it's 3 1/4 inches, but the actual compartment to stick stuff in is about 2 inches. Oh, look, yes. So I just went around and like cut. I made my entire thing out of 110-pound cardstock base, and then I just used my regular cardstock. Put a little Handmade with Love sticker thingy in there. And this side, look at, I used all the papers. I just stuck little teacups on all of the outer boxes from the thickers. I just did some sequins trim. I made these cute little tiny clothespins with a punch, Martha Stewart punch, and then for the bow, and then the little flat back jemmies. But let me show you, I don't know which side this is. Let's see, because one side's embellished and the other side is not embellished. Okay, so this is the not embellished side. I'll show you real quick what I did, because you can only get so much in there. But so this is like small embellishments. But I went ahead and made the circle like embellishments. It's half paper and then half like a little tool shaker. These are inspired by I Am Absolutely Alice. She made them a couple years ago. And then I did this one as well. And then I did this one. I mean, and these can be turned upside down too. It doesn't matter which way they go. Did like a cute little pastel shaker mix in there, so I shoved those in there. It's that one, and then there's this one right here. What did I make? Forgetting, because I had to work on the embellishment separate. I thought I was going to get more in there, but I could only get 2 rosettes in there. But I used the Willow Lane paper, and I thought these were going to turn out a lot smaller, and they didn't. So obviously I measured wrong and just used my scoreboard. Ooh, come on guys, get back in there. So that's the unfinished side, and then I did use those thickers, kind of like a little sticker on this back piece panel. It kind of looks like those old school dressers with the mirror, like the armoires, and then, or like a dresser with just the mirror. These little bows were gifted to me in my embellishment challenge, so I just backed 2 to 2 up against each other. And then these ones, these are the embellishments. You guys saw me, if you follow me on Instagram, oh my gosh, making tassels, like a sloppy look tassel. Super cute, right? And I did follow a tutorial from Anne and Marla Rizzo as well. I combined the 2 tutorials to make these ones. Really? What if I just done it like that? And then in this one, yes, you guys saw me post on my Instagram. I just made, look at how cute these are. I was inspired by Tanisha. She sent some of these shaker hearts. So she used tulle, did a little shaker mix, and then added a tassel to it. So I just used, instead of like a regular tassel, on some of them I used this like big flower one from, these are from AliExpress. But again, I used Willow Lane. Look how cute these turned out. Love them, and I was able to get 3 of them in there. So yeah, that was a quick little project share of what I made. And I will link everybody's information down below that I mentioned. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys!